in a realm where meadows bloomed and forests whispered. A young kitten named Lancelot roamed. Unlike other kittens, Lancelot wore a suit of shimmering armor and was known as the Paladin Kitten of the realm. One day, while wandering through a sunlit glade, Lancelot stumbled upon a magnificent sword embedded in a stone. Legends spoke of this mythical blade. It could only be pulled out by someone pure of heart. With determination burning in his eyes, Lancelot approached the stone. Placing his tiny paw on the hilt, he pulled with all his might. To his astonishment and joy, the sword slid out effortlessly. News of this feat spread throughout the land, and Lancelot became a beacon of hope. His story reached the ears of a wise doge named Maximus. Who lived atop a distant mountain. Curious and eager to meet this extraordinary kitten, Maximus descended from his peak. When Lancelot and Maximus met, there was an instant connection. They spoke of adventures and dreams, and Lancelot shared the story of the sword in stone. Maximus, being well-versed in ancient lore, revealed that the sword possessed cosmic power and could transport its wielder to other dimensions.